Hey and welcome back to Mad Investor. So as you know, I cover a lot of different projects from launch pools to Binance new projects, and I like to cover once in a while as well something with a big APY. So previously I've covered the MC Merit Circle token and their launch pool on Binance. And this is actually going for next 53 days because it's a 60 days promotion, so don't worry, you actually have a time to participate. But what's really cool is that there is a really high APY, which I thought you should know about if you were not following that option. So if you go to those squares within Binance and then go to Launchpad, by the way, if you don't have a Binance account, you can just register in the link in the description of this video to grab extra perks and off trading fees. Then you log into your Binance, and after you will see the recent launchpads and launch pools. So listed launchpad is Voxys, but Launchpool, which is still ongoing, it's actually that MC Emerit. And why am I talking about it? Because obviously on BUSD we see 3.98% and BNB 5.62, which is okay percent, okay APY yearly. But when you look at the MC pool, it's 151%. And believe me, it won't be that high for a really long time because obviously it will deplete over the next 60 days. So if you're a lucky one who want to buy some MC pool and Merit, I'll probably do it, that I'll buy some more and just stake some more right here. So thanks to it, I'll be getting even more of that. So when you look at the percentage, 151% APY, that means that you're getting around 12-13% a month on that MC pool, which I think it's a pretty decent, looking that this is a play to earn gaming DAO, comparing to all the other launch pools, which has around 4, 5, 7, 4, 3%, 5.8. So as you can see, the percentage difference is really high here. So when you go to MC pool, to actually stake that Merit Circle, you can just press stake right here. If you don't have it, you can press buy here. When you press buy MC, it will actually take you to the website where you can swap the MC for whatever cryptocurrency you have. You can always search for it in MC and see that there are three pairs, which is MCBTC, MCUSDT, and MCBUSD. And currently we see that when you look at MCUSDT, it holds on the price 5.28, which I'll be honest with you, it probably will drop a bit more, as obviously we're farming it with a really big APY, so that's what normally happens with the tokens. But obviously it has a big chance of growing as well. It launched initially at 2nd of December on Binance at 12.70, and then it dropped a bit, which I thought it's gonna happen, and now it's fluctuating around $5 ish. On the lowest one it was $4.95. So it's a pretty decent deal, I think, for everyone who is looking into especially getting some nice rewards, because in general with the farming period it will be 60 days, so you actually have the option to get that. So when you look at their website and what they're actually doing, if you haven't watched my previous video, you can actually see that they are a DAO and they are the engine. They're actually developing play to earn economy, and they were involved in the projects like Axie Infinity, Star Atlas, Illivium, and Hush Rush. So it's not really small games. We can also see that they have a big partners kind of working with them. And to be honest, looking that such a project have, I think, great options for everyone, because when you look at their staking pools, that's 150%, and if you look at that, obviously we have it on this for 60 days, but it means in 60 days you can get around 30% of your initial MC if you would actually use it. So I think it's a great opportunity. Remember, this is only for 53 days left, so it's definitely worth looking into. You need to choose one of the pools, which is that MC pool. Obviously, if you have some BNB and BUSD, you can always stake it as well and get extra, obviously, APY, but as you can see, it is much lower than that MC APY. So this is it, what I wanted to give you an update, as I think it's worth mentioning, especially it might give you some nice rewards. I'm definitely doing it right now, as I think it's great for everyone, especially if you're just holding the tokens. I like to hold such a coins and tokens for the long term, looking that we know that we see a big jump in metaverses and play to earn, but also all the projects that are actually supporting or building those platforms have those spikes as well. This is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that, and well, remember to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of the new videos, and take care. See you in the next video.